Hi Strike customers, Lindsay here with some new innovation as part of the Strike Alpha Cradle range. This one here for the Active5 Pro. We've got a security lip and also a no tamper mode. So this is going to be perfect for anyone that's using Samsung's no battery mode. People like transport and logistics providers that want to keep this in the vehicle. Also public transport, bus fleets and that nature. Let's take a closer look now. Taking a look at the back of the Cradle, we've obviously got a Strike Alpha Cradle here mounted with a RAM mount to the amps compatible ball there. This is the security lip, so this is designed for fixed installation, not users that are going to need to take this device out regularly, so it will live inside the vehicle once mounted. We've also got our USB-C no battery mode anti-tamper, so you can see that it's actually bolted to the rear of the Cradle here. This is perfect for people using no battery mode as recommended by Samsung. They suggest using the USB-C opposed to the pogo pins, are also available on the Active5 Pro. So this is going to stop any drivers or passengers unplugging that USB-C cable. That's why we call it the non-tamper option. We've got the security lip as well. We can actually lock this down as well with a changeable lockable knuckle here that'll sit on the knob here. So you can see really bespoke solution, custom targeted to people that need to keep their device in the vehicle at all times. So this is really going to be great for people like public transport, like transport logistics. If this is of interest to you, please contact the sales team on the contact details below.